Hello! Happy 18th birthday, Ayesha! I'm so happy for you! Napakaganda mo ngayong 18th birthday mo. Hindi lang naman ngayon, lagi-lagi. Talagang, and proud ako sa iyo dahil kahit isang simpleng bata ka na, talagang kakaiba naman dahil sa iyong beauty, ay kitang-kita yung iyong pagiging mabuting bata. Dahil ikaw ay masunurin, mabait, matulungin, napakaabiyad mo sa iyong mga kapatid. Kaya proud na proud ako sa iyo.
Happy 18th birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Yasha. I hope you enjoy your day.
Okay, happy birthday, I love you. Alam mo na yan, sasabihin ko na lahat sa candles. Pero alam mo na yan, I love you. Happy 18th birthday, take care.
Happy 18th birthday! So, ang wish ko lang sa Ayesha ay always choose to be happy and sundin mo lang gusto mong pangarap. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ayesha. Wala akong masabi. Happy birthday. Sana madami pang dumating na mga blessings sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Ayesha, and I wish you be happy always.
Monyer, Merry Christmas, Happy birthday. Ito nandito kami lagi mga pinsan mo para mong kapatid. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Yes, 18th birthday siya. Matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay and lagi kang kinakabahan. And lagi kang mag-pray kay Lord and yun lang.
On you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know.
I offer this to my daughter, Ayesha, and we hope and I wish na sana matupad niya lahat ng wish niya, and if she wants to be a dentist and in the future, she will be a really dentist pagdating na panahon. Maraming salamat. Cheers!
Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day you got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dart. All we got is tonight. So can you call? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud. I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth?